Okay, hello everybody. We're gonna start breaking down the 440 Magnum here. It's kind of dirty, but I think we're gonna do just fine. This is my kit. I'm gonna be using all my tools. Let's get to it. Got all burnt up in the fire. Old points distributor. Let something burn up. Dipstick.
I'll sharpen everything. I'm telling you. Got any grapes?
Very, very clever, Eli. Between the third and fourth spark plug, passenger side. Well, I think that I might have done the last thing. Just got to pull the other cylinder head off. Oh, it's really heavy. Oh my goodness. Oh.
But those were the springs.
Well, that's it for now. I'm running out of daylight, and it is the wife's birthday party now, so goodbye. All right, everyone. Part 2 of the 440 Magnum breakdown. It rained. So the last probably 12 hours it's been raining, you know, here and there. Abnormal for Vegas, but I'm cold. It's 46 degrees. I am used to way higher than this, but so I'm bundled up a little bit. That's not going to stop me. We're going to get it done. So here we go.
Oh, I suggest we turn the engine over.
Big reveal. We got the crankshaft, oil pan, oil pickup. Well, lots of copper showing on this. A little story about this one, I guess. Looks like a valve died, and it did. I'll show you.
Interesting wear pattern on this one.
A grain of sand or something got right there in the middle.
You see that line? Right at the oil in that too. A little rock probably got in there, a little piece of sand, and just
Ground it down.
We got a harmonic balancer here, and the pulley. It says on there, use only with 440 cast crank only.
okay.
Will do, Mr. Chrysler. Oh my goodness gracious. Holy cow. All right. Water pump housing. Timing chain cover. 9/16 on the 4 bolts on top, 1/2 inch on the bolts on the bottom.
Okay, you guys see this one. Alright. So here's our timing chain. And you see the dot right there, and the dot right there. They correspond to each other when you set up the timing in this engine. So as it rotates around, those will rotate away from each other. And as the big one right here, as that dot gets back to the top, boom, back aligned. So that means we've got one rotation on the crank, and then 2 rotations on the crank, and that equals 1 rotation on the cam. Let's put you guys back up here. We have a lot of editing on this video.
So where the letters are, the codes here, that's the outside, obviously. Hooray! Okay, so just another note for the rebuild kit. This is a 2-piece rear main seal. Well, I say it rings like a bell. What about you?
This is camshaft. This is what's in charge of opening and closing all of the valves on each of the cylinder heads in time. So your engine will breathe in the fuel air mixture and then breathe out the exhaust of each and every cylinder. This guy is in charge of all the time. Oh, we'll get the mic out and see what he looks like.
Oil pump.
And
The oil filter goes on.
in, out, it goes. Or out, in. So there's a special part on the cam where it's geared, and that runs the oil pump. Oh, seems like all the bores are smooth.
Well, that does it, my people.
Other than just a few more oil plugs and the freeze plugs, that's pretty much the entire breakdown of the...
440 Magnum Chrysler engine.
I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did.
I look forward to rebuilding this thing and shoving it in a Jeep. Maybe we can do some wheelies with it. All right. Okay, tune in next time for whatever I'm doing next.